Another component of making sure that you're managing your Google Drive space efficiently is to look for files that are large. Now you can see that as I look at any one of my folders or my drive, I can see the file size, but I can't sort on that. It's aggravating. I wish I could sort it. I can scroll down and find it, but I'm not going to likely find the file I'm looking for because it's probably buried in a folder. But I have this little trick. I can go over here to storage and click on storage. And over here, by default, it's showing me that the largest files first. So I can click on that file and I can delete it. I can click on this file, which is another 185 megabytes, and I can delete it. And I can delete all of the big files that I want to get rid of and save space. But remember this, you need to come back to trash. And you need to empty out your trash. Or if you want to, without having to get more storage, you can go over here to clean up space, and look what that does. It opens another window, and that lets me look for files and trash, emails and trash, spam emails, and then large files. And I can review any of those. If I go review spam emails, it'll show me that I have these spam emails. Now they're all spam, so I could select them all and delete them. And I understand that deleted items can't be recovered. This will permanently delete emails and attachments. So I need to select that and say, yeah, I'll permanently get rid of it. Boom. And I just saved 138 kilobytes. And then I can go to emails and trash. I can see here's all the emails that I put in trash. I can go, okay, let's select all of those. Let's delete them. Again, it's reminding me permanently deleted. It's going to go away. Can't come back. Delete that. And look, I just saved another 2.5 megabytes. And then I can close that. And the last thing I can do is look for emails of large attachments. And I have one right here. Select that and delete it. Permanently delete. I understand. I will not get it back. Permanently delete it. And look at that. I just saved another 3 megabytes. And then I just simply go close that down and go back to Drive. I'm going to hit a refresh. And that number went up. Isn't that unbelievable? It should go down. So if I go to trash, look, I got those videos to get rid of. I want to empty the trash. Delete forever. Hit refresh again. And now it's down to 190 megabytes because I got rid of some big trash. Bottom line, you want to pay attention to not just what you have in My Drive, but also what do you have if you get any files in spam? Do you have any files that are sitting in trash longer, the whole 30 days? You might need to clean that out earlier. And most importantly, pay attention to the storage quota. And not only the large files you have here that you may not have a need for, or you may be able to store somewhere else, but also remember to go back to clean up space. And when you're on clean up space, you could access the files in trash, emails in trash, spam emails, as well as large files from here, so that you again can manage your Google storage, your Google Drive storage, which again includes images and emails beyond just simply Google Docs. So you can get the most out of your space before you have to go purchase more storage space. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.